Um, 11.
Ma'am, what about poster making?
Poster making also I'm telling you. Agnish,
इसमें पूरे अटेंडेंस नहीं है ना.
Agnish, Aman, Anshika, Ayush, Devansh, Rohan, Sayam,
Ma'am,
Siddharth.
Gautam Gakkar present.
Yeah, yours is there. Okay. Vani. ठीक है देखिए.
Yes, ma'am.
वानी प्रेजेंट. हाँ, एक प्रेजेंट वानी है. Okay, for the poster. It was Bhavya Bhardwaj, Aishwarya, Vanshika, and Akshita. So for poster, I already have a lot of people. Poster topic is again corruption-free India. Basically one topic only. Poster topic is also corruption-free India. Okay? And the activity will be held next Monday. So you have around 1 week to prepare. From 11D Vikhyas and
Ma'am, you're muted.
okay. For interview, it's spreading awareness amongst the people in the school.
Ma'am, please make everyone as an attendee because someone.
Okay, done. Okay. Okay, that's it now. Any doubt? No? Okay. Yeah, so it's how many people do we have? 4 people. It's an interview. Not auction. It's an interview. So if you, for example, if you, Dishita and Akansha are there, and there's one more student, Vansh. So you 4 to work together. Okay, Vansh is from 11C. Okay, you 4 work together. One will ask questions, the other will answer. And it can also happen in an interview. The other person can also ask the questions and you will answer. For example, it's you and Dishita in an interview, okay? You are asking questions and Dishita is replying, okay? At some point, Dishita will ask a question and you will reply in between the interview. Have you ever seen a proper interview, like when the reporter is asking the question, okay, the other person also asks some questions to the reporter. Just see the samples. Yeah. I've received your mark. Yeah, I've received your mark. Yes. Yes, you can do that. You can do that. So you can, so it's Kanak, Dishita, Akansha. So you can work with Dishita. You can work with Dishita. Akansha. Okay, then you work with Akansha, and Dishita will work with Vansh. Okay. Okay, now coming back to letter. Write the question for letter.
Ma'am, please tell what is the topic for interview?
For interview, the topic is spreading awareness amongst the people in the school. Spreading awareness amongst the people in the school. Okay, write the question for letter. You are Neeraj slash Neerja Shekhar, comma, principal of Vasant Public School, comma, Pune. Vasant Public School, comma, Pune. Full stop. Your school has just started. Your school has just started a music department. Your school has just started a music department. Full stop. Write a letter to the manager of Melody House, comma, Pune, comma, wholesale suppliers of musical instruments, comma, placing an order for musical instruments for the school. Full stop. Ask for a discount on the catalog prices. Start writing. Yes.
So, when we are writing a qualification letter, we assume that we have already written a inquiry letter.
No, that you have already seen a catalog. You have already seen the catalog. You know about the organization. Now you are writing a letter to place. It's not, yeah, it's the first time. It's separate from letter of inquiry. Separate. So you have to write that I already know about your organization, or I have already seen your catalog, and now I wish to place an order with you. Yes. No, it will be MCQ only. You don't have the book. If you want, I can ask the questions, but I don't think so they'll have. I don't have the class with 11D, 11C, only 2-3 students come. Okay, can I repeat, sir? Question. Write a letter to the manager of Melody House, Pune. Melody House, comma, Pune, comma, wholesale suppliers of, start writing, wholesale suppliers of musical instruments, comma, placing an order for musical instruments for the school. Okay, ask for a discount on the catalog prices. See, sender's address will be you are the principal from you're writing from a school, so the school name will be the sender's address. Okay. How many books did you? I told you, only one book from 11.
Ma'am, 11th is having their English class.
Yeah. So, okay, write the letter. You don't. In the sender's address, you will write the school name. Sorry. You have to no. You have to mention the specific discount. You have to ask for discount.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you repeat again the topic because due to connection I got disconnected.
The letter.
Yes, ma'am. Letter topic.
Address, date, receiver's address. Subject, validation.
Like this is the
Yeah. Subject, validation.
introductory paragraph, then table of contents, then
Yeah,
we can put
and then your name. Subject, validation. Yeah. Okay. Wait, I'll send the. I'll send it in the group. See, I sent it in the group. Did you receive, Himanshu, the question? Received? Do you have to mention?
brand of it.
What?
In the table, do you have to mention the brand or we can just write the item and discount?
You can mention the brand if you want to write. So, it's fine. So you can write quantity. Okay. You can write the name of the item. Letter, sender's address. Sender's address.
So the proper address is given, we cannot add anything from our side.
No.
Not even the CAD.
If that you can do.
Like we cannot even write like that, like street number or like anything like that.
If it's mentioned, then you cannot change. If already house number and street number is mentioned, why would you want to add anything else?
There is
If it's
nothing.
not mentioned, then you can add. Leave a line, date, leave a line, receiver's address, leave a line, subject, leave a line, salutation. Salutation is sir, madam. Okay, and then the letter, and then the end, your name. Okay. Sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject. Yeah, leave a line, subject, and then salutation.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we can also add the a line in which a demand draft of this of this mentioned
Leave a line that what do you want to mention in the letter?
demand draft.
That I am attaching a demand draft. But first you will
Yes, ma'am.
place an
Attach
order,
the
no?
demand
Demand
draft
draft.
for 30
No.
or
Demand draft is something when you pay that. If you are sure about the prices and you want to pay in advance, then you can send the demand draft. Then you will mention that I am attaching a demand draft with
Ma'am,
this
you can also
letter.
write that attach here with demand draft of 20%, and rest of the payment will be made after the delivery of these listed items.
Yeah, but then you are attaching just a second, you're attaching a demand draft with the letter, right?
Yes.
So you can write that I am attaching a demand draft or I'm enclosing a demand draft, but then you have to mention in the letter and after your name, after you've written your name, yeah, yours truly, your name, you write enclosed demand draft. Whatever you attach, you mention that. Is that clear, Imanshu?
Okay, ma'am.
You can attach a demand draft. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Better if we build like a back,
If you build a
back story about like it, like we talked about in on a call or like nothing, right? Like,
you, it should be within the word limit, 120 to 150 words.
now if the introduction paragraph is 4 5 lines long, just start.
That's okay, but it's better because letter is all formal. So formal writing should always be to the point.
Direct.
Okay, direct, to the point. You can just start the letter by saying that we wish to place an order with you for our newly. Yeah. I would request you to provide a 10% discount on the total bill. What? E double, where is it? Are you not writing the letter over there? Errand, to run an errand is to go out for groceries and to buy something for home. So when someone says that I'm running an errand means that I'm buying something for the house, groceries and vegetables and all. Are you not writing the letter? Write the letter. Then you can read the chapter. Write the letter first. If I'm here, I can check that later, no?
Is it based on like we are demanding for the discount or like we are just like
You are
giving the choice,
requesting.
like, can we have it?
Yeah, you are requesting. Yeah.
We should like be moderate, polite.
Yeah, you have to be polite. You can't be rude, obviously.
We have to mention that we will be delivered to our cases that are
Mention the time also, like kindly deliver it within the 10 days of receipt of this letter. Done? As the principal of this has to purchase.
Ma'am,
Just a second. From the school, from you, as I heard that you are the wholesale.
ma'am, can you also mention the band of the instrument?
Yes, you can write. Would like to just a second. No. Here you can. Here you can write the principal. Okay, this is fine. Here, it's a lot extra. So I would like to purchase for my school. Yes, for my school. That's it. This is not needed. For the music department in our school. That's it. This is not needed. That's understandable, right? That's why you're placing in order. Okay. This you don't need to write. You've already written. Also write a line that how will you pay? I would be paying cash. Okay, after the delivery of the product. It's not a full instrument. So just inform me that I read your catalog. And I wish to place an order for the musical instruments mentioned below. It would be highly shaded if the discount at 15 to 20% of the catalog price. And kindly deliver the order within 10 days from receiving of this gift. And ensure proper packaging to avoid any damage. Cool. Just add one more line as how you will pay. Would you be paying cash? Would you be paying by check? You can write that I would be paying entire amount via cash after the delivery of the product. Okay, written in the end. Write it in the end. Okay, always like a table, not number, quantity. You say that this is how I'm paying. Okay. Managing the subject, then citation. So, our school has just started a music department, and thereby we require. Okay, we wish to place the order for musical instruments for the same. Yeah, it's not needed. It just looks neat. I hope items will be delivered by this weekend. Weekend is sounds informal. So it's like if you can write by 10th October. Okay, you can mention a date, which is before 5 p.m. Okay. And the item gets delivered. Since we are ordering in bulk, we hope a minimum discount count of 10%. Very good. Any damage to the instrument while delivery will be your responsibility. Very good. Very good. Perfect. Done? Just a second. Continue. Okay.
And ma'am,
Send me the picture. For the beginning of the school music. For the school's music department, you wish to purchase the following items from your establishment. Based on the above mentioned, I deliver to school's address. Okay. It is my request to be provided a discount of okay. I hope that the specified items will be sent to the school at the earliest possible time. And we will be paying via cash after the delivery. Write that. That's just fine. Done?
No, not done, but I'm asking like we need to mention the type of the instrument or like it's fine.
It's fine.
The payment will be made through online mode after receiving the order. Is it enough?
Kindly provide your bank details, account details. Okay, sure. Okay, send me the picture of the letter if you've written. I'll check. Himanshu or anyone else who's written, send me a picture. Written? Should I check? C capital.
Yeah, right. Kindly provide your details, bank details on the contact undersigned.
Yeah. Nouns are always in capital. Okay. Mhm. Okay, this is the content is fine. Okay, but you have to mention the goods. You have to mention the order, right? So in between, make a table. Okay. S number 1, 2, 3. Item, quantity. Okay. For example, you need tabla. So write how many tablas you need. You need guitars. Let's see. Okay, so you have to, if you're placing an order. Okay, so he needs to know now what do you want. Okay, so make a table here in between. Okay. Done? Right?
20% discount is fine.
So 15 to 20. Yeah, 20 is a lot. Then your order should be in a bulk.
I have a budget. Would you online for 1,000 rupees?
Right, 15 to 20%. You should know what lines to be written in a letter. Even if it's an MCQ paper, you should know that because you will be given options as to what line fits here. I I'll have to ask. I'll have to ask. Yeah. I'll have to ask. Okay. Done? Yeah, you can do that. You can enclose a check or a demand draft.
Yeah, but I'll just check for like half.
You can say that I'm giving you half the payment in advance and the rest of the payment will be made after the delivery of the product. But then if you enclose something that you have to mention after the letter, how will you mention? For example, you said that I'm enclosing a check, okay? So after yours truly, and then your name here, after your name, you will write enclosed check. Okay, you have to mention that I'm enclosing something with it. Yes. You ask me. That? Yeah, it's up to you. If you're paying half of the payment in advance, that you can mention that, okay? And then you can, in the body itself, the last line, last paragraph.
Ma'am, I have sent. Please check, Himanshi.
I'll check. Okay, Himanshu, write the principal and then the school name. The first line, the principal. I guess you sent me incomplete picture. The last paragraph is missing. Send me that as well.
No, ma'am, I have sent 2 pictures. Please check.
Okay. Yeah, rest is nice. Very good. Just that the principle should be there. Rest is good. Very good.
Okay.
Kana, you don't need to write it again. I'll send another topic. You can write another letter. You don't write the same letter. Okay, I'll send another topic. I'll be sending another question of letter of placing in order. Do it as your homework. Okay. Right now only. Write the question. Write the question.
Ma'am, I sent.
I'll check. Okay, you are Nalini slash Vishal, comma, hostel warden. Write it down. Comma, hostel warden, comma, Zenith Public School, Uttar Pradesh. Zenith Public School, Uttar Pradesh. Full stop. Write a letter to the sales manager, comma, Bharat Electronics, and Domestic Appliances Limited, comma, New Delhi, placing an order for a few fans, comma, microwaves, comma, oven, and geysers that you wish to purchase for the hostel. Yes. Also ask for discount on the purchase. Also ask for the discount purchase. Written? Should I repeat? Should I repeat the question? Written? Okay. Yeah.
Imagine little student to everyone by sending a blank check loan.
Right. No, write check and then write the number.
Okay.
There's a check number. No, there's a check number.
Fine. Amount पे लिखिए आप. Decent. और डिस्काउंट 75%.
अपने बता वैसे डिस्काउंट
if you are ordering in bulk and you are ordering from a manufacturer, you can get a discount. That in retail, there's less chance to get a discount. Kindly send the order within
the time limit.
9 minutes. That's okay. Okay. Okay, you can leave now. Thank you. This class is till 10:30, right? 10:30. Okay. Okay, you can leave now. 10:30. Okay, bye.